very fulfilling in my part because it's always a good thing to use your talents, use my talents as an engineer to help the Filipino people.
Siyempre satisfying sa akin kasi yung mga efforts na ginagawa namin, yung mga technology na nire-research namin at ini-implement namin, nagagamit ito para makatulong sa kapwa, makapag-respond sa mga storms, typhoons na dumadating sa ating bansa.
The Philippines is an archipelago with a population of over 100 million people. It is one of the most at-risk countries globally when it comes to climate shocks, making efficient emergency response a great necessity. The World Food Programme, as the largest humanitarian agency in the world and the global lead of the emergency telecommunications cluster, has harnessed the power of technology and telecommunications to address gaps in emergency response. One such solution unique to the Philippines is MOVE, or Mobile Operations Vehicle for Emergencies. Born out of a partnership between WFP and the Department of Information and Communications Technology, it is an operations hub and equipment set that is deployed to emergencies to aid humanitarians, government workers, and UN operations. With 6 so far and more on the way, this project is a central component of government's emergency response. An innovative component of the MOVE is its use of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. These drones fly over disaster-stricken areas to aid in response efforts. They are able to lift communication equipment and provide internet connection and cellular service over villages and small towns, ultimately helping humanitarians, search and rescue teams, and the community itself. It also transports other types of equipment to support activities like data collection, mapping, and surveying. Nimble and efficient, they represent the future in Philippine emergency response. Communications is the link to survival. As the project evolves, WFP and the DICT will continue to work hand in hand to harness the capacity of their emergency responders and achieve their vision for a stronger Philippines.
So, ano pong pakiramdam na through this project nakaka-contribute kayo sa nation building?
Sobrang fulfilling kasi nagagamit ko yung talent ko way back in college, kung natutulan ko, yun, na-apply ko kung dito. Like yung sa telecommunications and yung sa electronics din.
Siyempre satisfying sa akin kasi parang yung mga efforts na ginagawa namin, yung mga technology na nire-research namin at ini-implement namin, nagagamit ito para makatulong sa kapwa or makapag-respond sa mga storms, typhoons na dumadating sa ating bansa.
It's very fulfilling in my part because it's always a good thing to use your talents, use my talents as an engineer to help the Filipino people.